Hi everyone, I'm Reid from Tanby Garden Centre. Welcome to our demo on how to measure up the area that you'd like to lay your turf in. So, to start with, we measure two lengths, two sides of our area. So I've got 3 metres by 2 metres. Got our two measurements worked out, 3 metres by 2 metres. That's 6 metres in this little area here. Normally in most yards, we're talking a much larger area. You're talking probably more like a 20 metre by a 10 metre kind of a ratio. So if you have a triangle area at your place, do the two measurements that you would have, turn it into a rectangle and then halve the measurement and you've got your triangle.